Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today's video I will be showing you how to make my thick baby blue slimes. As you can tell, it's super nice and super thick. It's also super chewy. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, what you will be needing is a mixing bowl or mixing tool. That will be the first step. So get your mixing tool or mixing bowl. Get Elmer's school glue and dump that in the bowl. Doesn't matter how much you have. I'm only doing that much. And then after, you're gonna need food coloring. Doesn't really matter, but if you want a light baby blue, you'll need 2 pumps. After mix. And this goes with all slimes, like yellow slime, green slime, red slime. Just follow this instructions, but do different colors. Okay, since that's done, I'm gonna use some baking soda and water. I'm gonna use this much water, because who wouldn't? Makes it thick and jiggly. And then after I would mix, if it's not, don't activate it when it's like that, because then it's gonna mess the slime up a little bit, and it will be a stringy slime. Just mix it. I know it gets a little bit watery. That's supposed to happen. Then after, add your contact solution, and you can see it's starting to form. I would use this type, the one with the I hate that sound, with 12 fluids. That's the one I would recommend.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Mix. Oh, wait, guys. Pause. And then after this, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can make the new metallic slime. It's getting really thick and it's coming together. Okay, I'm gonna pull it out because I love playing with sticky slime. It's my #1 most favorite. Okay, so when it turns like this, and then when most of it gets off the bowl, that's when I recommend starting playing with it. And if it feels a little bit stringy, because first one was a fail, second one was this one, and it turned out perfect. Third one, oh my god, it's amazing. The texture feels super nice. Thick. Eesh. Oh my god. I said, oh my gosh. Okay, guys, and then after, you'll just enjoy it and just play with your slime. It's a really, really extra nice slime. Okay, let's make I'm gonna make a cinnamon. A swirl. I have not made a swirl in a really long time.
Give me a fucking break.
Ooh, jeez! I'm making a YouTube video. Okay, kids, I'm sorry. Sorry. That's my swirl. That's my poke. And that's my crunch. And then let's mix these two slimes together. Now it's like a 8-gallon. Oof, this is a big one. It smells like soup. Okay, guys. that's how you make my baby blue cotton candy slime. Thank you guys for watching, and peace. I will see you in like 5 seconds again. Peace.